Hello students, today's topic is e-banking, electronic banking. We are learn to concept of e-banking. Let us start. In India, banking sector has been doing the traditional business of accepting deposit and lending to them or trade industry and individuals. In what is difference between the traditional banking system and e-banking? In traditional banking system, the customer had to visit the bank personally for the withdraw and deposit the money, to fill up the bank passbook, to collect the check deposit, to make the fixed deposit into the bank, to available loan facility, and so on. Next, in traditional banking system, it was time consuming job. In today's busy world, not possible to visit the bank every time, and even the increase in the banks, and so it is necessary to shift manual operation to computerized operations in the banking business. So let us now understand what is e-banking. What is e-banking? E-banking, let us understand the e-banking, also called as electronic banking, online banking, and internet banking. It involves the use of information and technology in the banking business. So, under these banking services to delivered by the way of computer control system. E-banking means the making use of electronic channels such as mobile, telephone, internet, etc. for the delivered banking services and product. And e-banking is also called as electronic banking. E-banking uses the internet to deliver the traditional services to the customer, such as opening account, transfer funds, electronic bill payment, and in e-banking system, customer can transfer funds, also withdraw money and deposit money anytime and anywhere. तुम्ही घरा ई-बँकिंग किंवा कोठेही ती सेवा त्या ठिकाणी तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचू शकते. फक्त काय गरज आहे, यू कॅन लॉग इन द पासवर्ड अँड लॉग इन युअर युजर नेम अँड पासवर्ड अँड यू कॅन choose this card particular. What is the definition of e-banking? First, now application of electronic technology towards transfer of funds through an electronic terminal like a computer to conduct the various transactions like a cash receipt, cash payment, and transfer of funds, etc. It is called as electronic banking. The remote delivered of new and traditional banking product and services through the electronic delivered channel, it is called as electronic banking. This is e-banking. Next point is features of e-banking. Let us understand the features of e-banking. Under this system, banking services and deliver. It is process of online banking services. In the banking, in e-banking, better from the traditional system, because such as quickly services, online payment facility, easy transfer of money, and you can easy transfer one bank account to another bank account, and provides 27 hours services. And such online banking services you can use anytime and anywhere, and but it is available in the internet connection in this particular area. First one is it is process of online banking services. First one is process of online banking services. E-banking refers to the process of online banking services online over the internet, and it is technically through the customers avail all services and bank through the internet. It is also termed an internet banking, electronic banking, and it is also called as virtual banking. And next one is easily access to account. The customer are easily able to access their account and perform various financial transaction. म्हणजे तुमचा बॅलन्स किती आहे किंवा त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही तुमच्या अकाउंट मध्ये किती ट्रान्झॅक्शन झालेत आणि लास्ट ट्रान्झॅक्शन काय आहे हे या ठिकाणी पॉसिबल आहे, तुम्ही पाहू शकता. And third one is the customer can use their banking from anywhere. E-banking you can use of anytime and anywhere. Customer can use their banking services anytime from anywhere, and through these features e-banking services all operate though the transfer funds and electronic signal. Electronic signal means internet connection available this particular area between the customer devices and website their banks. It is also important. And next point is features is different type of services. E-banking services of the different type like telephone banking, smart telebanking, smart cards, ATM, and e-checks, even debit card, credit card. Customer are able to share their account and protect them from the fraud using of e-banking. म्हणजे फ्रॉड होण्याची शक्यता असते because you don't take your pin मीन्स एम पिन किंवा आपण त्याला पासवर्ड असं म्हणतो किंवा OTP ही या ठिकाणी तुम्ही दुसऱ्याला कोणालाही सांगायचं नाहीये, तिथं मात्र तुमची सिक्युरिटी ठेवायची आहे. म्हणजे इझी मॉनिटरिंग. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इझी मॉनिटरिंग. कस्टमर कॅन इझिली मॉनिटर देअर अकाउंट continuously and also reduce the workload, operations cost and banking operations. E-banking has also reduced the chance of human errors, and there no possibility error occurs fully automated म्हणजे ऑटोमॅटिकली सिस्टम आहे, त्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी एरर मिनिमम आहेत. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट फीचर्स इज फास्ट ट्रान्झॅक्शन. आपण पाहिलेलं आहे की ई बँकिंग ही ट्रॅडिशनल बँकिंग पेक्षा फास्ट प्रोव्हाइड म्हणजे कमीत कमी वेळेमध्ये तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी मनी फंड्स मिळत आहेत. म्हणजे ई बँकिंग प्रोव्हाइड फॅसिलिटी ट्रान्सफर फंड्स इन द कस्टमर्स अँड सेव्ह टाइम अँड म्हणजे तुम्हाला क्यू मध्ये उभा राहायची गरज नाही, त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही इझिली त्या ठिकाणी सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हाइड करू शकता. इज व्हेरी फास्ट अँड बँकिंग इज ऑटोमॅटिकली वर्कड over the internet and people are don't need to wait queue and transfer their funds and pay off their bills. They can easily done through their devices and particularly this mobile, and it saves of times and also yeah, customer can easily access their accounts to help of their devices. Say third say next point features is lower transaction cost. E-banking reduce the cost and involves in the doing financial transaction. Electronic transactions are terms the medium of doing transactions, and it has reduced the manpower requirement of workload is reduced. The next feature is provide 27 hours म्हणजे 24 तास तुम्हाला ती सेवा उपलब्ध आहे, अवेलेबल आहे या ठिकाणी. This is important features of e-banking. E-banking provides customers with all-time access to facility their account, and customer can easily access their account anytime, anywhere, uh, with no limitations. Okay? It provides convenience to the customers, and they can perform transactions as per their wish. म्हणजे तुमची केव्हा इच्छा आहे तेव्हा तुम्ही ते सेवा त्या ठिकाणी घेऊ शकता. Reduce their chances of error. म्हणजे e-banking has reduced the chances of human errors. It has reduced the role of human in the whole transactions and process. And e-banking system works fully automatically over the internet, and all ट्रान्झॅक्शन आर रेकॉर्डेड अँड स्टोअर्ड डिजिटली. म्हणजे तुम्ही जे काही ट्रान्झॅक्शन करता ते स्टोअर केलं जातं डिजिटली, अँड देअर इज नो नीड टू मॅन्युअली. म्हणजे तिथं लिखाण करून वगैरे ठेवण्याची गरज नसते. मेंटेन द each and every records a bank of account, and so the chances of human errors are minimized. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी कम्प्युटराइज्ड सिस्टम असल्यामुळे जे मॅन्युअली केले जातात त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी एरर्स किंवा कमीत कमी त्रुटी निर्माण होतात किंवा कमी असतात. डेव्हलप लॉयलिटी इन कस्टमर. नेक्स्ट फीचर्स इज e-banking helps in the bank to develop the large number of loyal customers through the e-banking services, and banks are able to serve their customers well, and they are able to provide fast and better service to the customers. And customers are able to get user friendly and interface and banking websites. They are able to avail services anytime, even from their home. Next point is removes graphically barriers. E-banking has removed all the distance barriers from the performing transaction. It has removed the distance barriers that customers used to face in the traditional methods of performing transaction. E-banking provides the facility instead transfer the funds both the nationally internationally. म्हणजे तुम्ही देशात कुठेही किंवा परदेशातही त्या ठिकाणी मनी ती जी काही सिस्टम आहे, बट इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट दिस सिस्टम. All systems are connected each other online, and which is facility easy transfer of the funds to another accounts, and provide better productivity. It has efficient role of increasing the productivity of business, and the financial transaction system is supposed by the automatically software system, and these systems are specially designed for the doing transaction of funds. And last one is reduce the frauds in transactions. Another point is this features of e-banking. Thank you very much.